Hello everyone. So today we are going to watch how to modify one data sheet. So last time we have done a data sheet, correct? Today it is going to be a bit different. We will try to see what if we forget to do something and we want to insert or delete some rows, delete some columns, insert some columns, and also one formula of product. Okay, even though I'm going to cover all the numeric formulas in a different video, but today we will also additionally learn the numeric formula product. Like last time we learned about sum, we will learn about product. So this is one sample data sheet where we have item name and price per kg. So what are these? We have suppose a fruit shop. So in that fruit shop, we are going to use Excel. How is it going to help us? We will try to see. So here we have 5 fruits and we have the prices on per kg basis. So apple is 150 rupees per kg, banana is 200 rupees per kg, and so on. Okay. Now let us move to the other sheet. If you see, there are item sheet and customer sheet. So if we are going to see the customer sheet, here if you see, we have Ram who has bought 2 kgs of apple, banana of 1 kg and orange of 3 kg. Okay. Now here if you see the item weight, right, it is not saying. First thing, to modify, we will have to modify our data sheet the way we want. So first thing is, I can see Ram has bought and the item weights are 213, but we do not know whether it is kgs or grams. So what I am going to do, I am going to modify the header. See, within the bracket I am going to write kg. So that means it is in kg. But if you see here, again we have to adjust the cell breadth, right? It is kind of, so right, if you remember last time what I said, to adjust we have to find out about this symbol where 2 side arrows will be appearing and you have to drag. But apart from dragging, we can adjust it in a different way also. So how we can adjust? We can double click on it and it will auto adjust. See, I just double clicked, I did not drag, and it has adjusted very well. Fine. Okay, so now let us move to the price calculation. If you see, I want to see how much of RAM has purchased on apple, how much on banana, how much on orange. So generally what happens is, the price will be 2 kgs of apple, price is 150 rupees per kg, 2 kg will be 150 into 2, that is going to be 300 rupees, correct? So we will be using a numeric formula. So to use formula, what we first need to do? Equal to, correct? If I am going to put equal to, it will be showing up in formula bar. Fx is the formula bar. See, now what I need to do? I need to do product. You can use both ways. Let me show you the first way. What I need to do? The item apple per kg price and then into this. Oh, sorry, it is not going to be this. One second. In the items, I need to get this. Why it is coming? This will not be customer's sheet. This is going to be item sheet. See, items B2. B2 was there. Star. Customers C2. Enter. It became 300. So what is the formula? From the item sheet, you take the price, that is 150 rupees, and into customer sheet C2. So what was there? It was B2, if you see my cell for the apple. And the same way we will have to do for banana also. But for banana, see here we use star. Star is nothing but multiplication, correct? But there we are going to use the numeric formula product. If you see product, now the number 1, that is nothing but items. Oh, I'm sorry, it is not going to be items B2. It was, what was the fruit name? I guess banana. So it will be this. Correct? Comma, and you go to customers and C2. See, got it right? So the same way I have to use the same here for orange also. Product, and then the product will be orange's price, that is this one B5 from items. So items B5 comma customers C4. Oh, this has become items. Instead of items, it became customers. It will be items. Okay. So this is the price per fruit for Ram. Okay. Now suppose Ram said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I have also bought mango." Okay. So now you can enter here also. Let's not move to that. Let's think that Sam is another customer who has bought, suppose, some, or we put orange sometime back, mango, or suppose pineapple for 3 kgs pineapple. Okay, so I need to find out the total for that, how much I have to pay. Now once I go there, I find out, oh my god, pineapple I bought but I forgot to enter. Okay, so what do? I forgot to enter the price of pineapple. Where do I put? I can put it here, right? Pineapple. And suppose the price of pineapple is not sold per kg. Suppose pineapple will be sold per piece. So either I can and also I want to insert that here. So suppose I want to insert price per piece, this column, suppose price per piece. Fine. I'll just copy the formatter. Done, right? Here also I'm going to double click, it will show up. So here the price per piece is not applicable. Here it will be, suppose per piece is so 50 rupees. Fine. So now what I am going to do, I saw, oh, I have wrongly mentioned here. Item per weight is not pineapple. Pineapple is going to be item per piece. So he has bought, Sam has bought 3 pieces. Where am I going to put? I need to put it item weight per piece somewhere here in between C and D probably. So we need to insert a row in between C and D. How to do that? You need to go to the row, select the row before which you want to insert. So it is D, right? Right click on it and then press insert. When you press insert, before D, it will create another empty thing, an empty row. See, item, what do I write? I'm thinking. So it is piecewise, right? So this one is going to be here. How many pieces he has bought? Now my formula is going to be equal to product. Here we have to go. This is going to be the cell, item C7. Oh, so if I am not going to put comma before, it will take like that. Let me go there, equal to, then comma. Now I'll come back here and it will be per piece. So 150 rupees. How I inserted the row? Here just before the one I want to insert. Correct? Looking fine? So now what we are going to do, we will be learning how we are going to insert column. So the case study will be, suppose Ram said, oh my god, I also bought some pineapple but I forgot to mention. Now if I am going to push here, it's not going to work, right? So Ram is above. So I have to insert before Sam. I have to insert the record of pineapple from Ram before Sam. So it will be column insert. So I need to insert a new column before 5 because 5 is Sam's one. So where you want to insert, you have to select the column before which, above which you want to insert. Again the same way, you have to just right click, you have to select the column and then you have to right click and insert, and an empty column will be inserted. So anywhere you want to insert before or above any row or column, you just have to select the next one. So it will actually not insert after anything or below anything, it will always do before it. Okay, so it will be Ram's record. He also bought pineapple, suppose 2 piece. So the formula is going to be product, pineapple price, comma, go here and this. Fine. So now suppose I am going to create total. I can create somewhere else, but it's okay. I can create here Ram and Sam. So we have two customers. Sorry, let me make it customers. Let me make it total. So the total, you already know what is the formula. You need to insert equal to sum and then you need to select the range of cells. If you remember, range of cells for Ram and for Sam, you have to select only the cell. You can do the same. Got it? So now suppose someone said, "Arey, we actually have to put, it is 180 per kg. I forgot to mention, it is a mistype. So apple became 180 per kg, right? See, the same way everything is influenced. Here your formula fields have influenced for apple. Here Ram's total has been also influenced. Okay, so hopefully you got to understand what we wanted to showcase. Let's move to the next video.